Hi guys, welcome to another video. By the title down below, you already know what I'm about to do, honeys. If you are new to my channel, click off this video, go watch my previous videos, and if you like them, of course, like the videos, comment below, share my content so others can learn, and then you can subscribe. Then you can come back to this video. If you are already a part of the gang, you know you're going to like this video, so go ahead and smash that like button. So the last time I did my video how to make a YouTube intro, someone commented and said I should show you how I add music to it. So this is what I am doing right now. And if you watch that video and you follow through, you already have the Video Leap app, and of course you have the recorder, the screen recorder, already on your iPhone, so you don't need to download any more apps. But if you're using a Samsung, go ahead, download Video Leap and also download a screen recorder app, and let's get straight to it. All right, so that's the Video Leap app right there. It is a very powerful app. Of course, you spend some money in there sometimes, but for the most part, it is free and it is super duper easy. So right there, that flickering red light or button, that's the screen recorder that automatically comes on iPhone. So my intro music actually comes from another intro music from another YouTuber. Her name is Local Black Child. She is hella lit, hella funny. I always watch her videos and I heard the intro and I really love it, so I decided that I'm going to do it. So that was the intro that I created last week. Let's go ahead and get this music and add it to that intro. So I'm gonna just go ahead and search for Local Black Child. And what I'm going to do is to screen record one of her videos. This is where I want to be, guys. Add on my video.
Y'all's going so hard for this dumb post and sharing it. Because the reason that it's getting so many likes because y'all must have sharing it. That's why. You're so dumb. And you helped me. Yo, I got 200 sales after this video. In 2 days, 200 sales. They're so stupid. I'm not trying, like I said, if you know what? If you offended, that's on you. Because obviously I'm not here to offend you. But if you butt hurt, your butt just gonna hurt.
Wow. Whoa. Oh.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. It's Local Black Child here. You look.
So yes, that is the sound that she used and I really love it. I'm really in love with it. So shout out to you, Local Black Child. Your videos are hella lit and I love your intro. So what I'm about to do now, since I have the screen record saved to my gallery, what I'm gonna do now is to crop it down. So all the extras that are on the video, I'm going to remove it and I'm just going to keep the part where the music is playing. So let's do that in my photos. So I'm going to crop it down from both sides. Yo, this girl has personality, girls. She really do. So then I'm going to save that as a video. And I'm going to go into the Video Leap app where I am going to add the music. So this is where the juice is actually. So I go in Video Leap. I click on the plus button. I'm going to select the intro that we made last time. All right, and then I'm going to select mixer. It's the second option from the left down the bottom. I'm going to select the video that we just cropped. And I'm going to drag it all the way down so it does not appear on screen. And then I'm going to clip the video down at the end so it match up with the video length.
Wow.
wasn't that easy, guys. That was like super easy. And with this, you can get the video anywhere. You can get it from Instagram, you can get it from YouTube, you can get it from Twitter, you can get it absolutely every and anywhere that you want, guys. So after we add the music and everything, we're gonna export it using the highest quality, which is 4K on my phone, and leave it there so it can completely export. Please do know that if you click off of video leap while the video is downloading,
Wow.
you will have to start over.
Whoa.
Even if you just drag down the screen to see the time, you have to start over again. But there you go, guys. Easy and simple way how to add music to your videos. You can get the music anywhere. You can get it from your favorite influencer. It doesn't matter. You can just do that. So it's a simple way to get that done. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next week in another video.